For my short paper, I created a health behavior campaign with the focus on the coronavirus vaccination. I utilized the fundamentals of the message, mainly the key message factors, to plan out my campaign and to make it as persuasive to my target audience as I could. I focused mainly on message structure, message content, framing, language, and emotional appeals. In my campaign to encourage the community to get vaccinated, I explicitly drew the conclusion to make it clear which path I wanted the audience to take. My message was more one-sided rather than two-sided because I wanted as much time detailing and advocating why getting the vaccine was important and necessary. I wanted my message content to be more narrative versus evidence-based. I got this idea from a photo a friend of mine posted on Facebook while getting her first vaccination. She held up a photo of her dad, who recently passed from COVID, with the simple hashtag #4U. It was simple, but evoked an emotional response for me, which further added my encouragement to get the vaccination. I want to emanate that same feeling through a narrative for my campaign. The language will be of slower speeds and use powerful speech to communicate compassion and confidence. I want my campaign to persuade the audience using their emotions, mainly fear. Fear that they could get COVID, fear of the possibility of losing a loved one, and fear that the pandemic will never end without the vaccination.